So this Tesla came to us actually with the chrome delete done on the windows, and there's something I noticed and I figured, you know what, it'd be a good time for the more you know segment. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is not to make fun or anything like that, but just to get you guys informed. That way you're more aware, so that in case you want the same type of service, you kind of have more knowledge and more information on that before you actually get it done. So when it comes to chrome deleting your car, there are 3 ways people normally go about doing it. 1 is vinyl wrapping, 2 is painting, and the 3rd, which is what this is Plastidip. Just to kind of give you guys a quick rundown what Plastidip is. Plastidip is a rubber-like spray-on. Basically, you shake it, you spray it on, and then when it dries, it creates this rubber-like texture, and that's what this is. So the cool thing with that is it's temporary. You can actually peel it off if you don't want it. However, with that being said, since it is a spray-on, it can be quite messy if not prepped or done correctly. The thing with Plastidip, from what I've seen, is that Plastidip typically has this more of a rough like texture to it. It does feel a lot more rubbery than like vinyl, of course, because of how it's created. So it's not always something that people like. Not everyone likes how it feels, and not a lot of people like how it looks either. So it's sort of a personal preference. We typically don't recommend doing Plastidip on big chrome pieces like window trims or like mirrors, because it doesn't really look that good in our opinion. They're better for small badges, things like that. Plastidip is very easy to get into for anyone to just try it if they want to try. However, it's quite a challenge to master and to make it look good. Some of the things you'll notice that Plastidip has like a rough texture to it, and it also feels really rough. It almost feels like if you rub hard enough or just by accident, you could probably rub it off. And also, using Plastidip requires a lot more prep work. There's a lot more taping involved. Otherwise, you'll spray it on places you don't want to spray it on. And if you don't prep it correctly, you may still have chrome showing like you see here, and in tough to reach spots like back here as well. So I just want to show you what Plastidip looks like, especially on a chrome delete like that. It's not something we see too often here. And that way, you guys know what it looks like, and you guys are aware if you want to go that route.